Let's use the foam roller and massage ball to gently release the glutes and hips. You can come to a seated position on your roller. From here, you can just start to roll it out on those glutes. You'll likely feel some tension. Take a moment to find your balance using your hands behind you for support. We'll begin with small, slow movements. Gently rolling through the glute, moving just a few inches at a time. There's no need to rush here. From here, you can bring one ankle over the opposite knee, creating a figure 4 shape. This helps us target deeper into the glutes. If you find a more tender spot, you can pause and let your body soften around the pressure. Keep your breath steady. And when you feel ready, slowly come back to center and we'll switch to the other side. You might explore leaning slightly to one side, finding different angles through the hip. Cross the opposite ankle over the knee. Take a moment again to settle into the position and begin to gently roll. Same idea here, slow, small movements. Let your body guide you. There's no need to force anything. We're also going to try it with the massage ball. It targets the spot differently, and you can find different motion on the ball, circular movements. It gives you a little bit more freedom to move around on it. Sometimes stillness can be just as effective as movement. If you find a sore spot, just leaving it on there and breathing deeply, taking a few moments there. And when you're ready, gently come back to center. Foam, rolling, and massage ball can be a simple way to support the hips and release tension that builds throughout the day. Move slowly and take what your body needs.